How do y'all feel? How do you feel?
I think it was going amazing until we hit the song Realize.
Yeah, I appreciate being here at the Vending Machine. Yeah, I appreciate.
Great, sick show.
Then I saw a little mosh pit for me. Did not expect that.
I feel pretty damn good. I mean,
It was a lot of fun. I'm very sweaty.
very sweaty. I haven't played a house show with these guys before, and I can't think of a better place.
It was so sick.
Yeah, I appreciate.
Don't care if you leave, don't care if you stay. Only care where you've been. I could leave you, I could tease you, I could ease you off my skin. You said from the start that it would last, but where are we now? That phony smile on your face that says it all. So I need to know, why don't you love me no more?
Channel 7, check. There it is.
Been bothering me. What stone could unify temporarily? Shout out to 14 promo over here, man. The homie that got everyone out here, made this happen, as well as the owner, Mr. Caleb.
An alpha never speaks. That sugar booger.
Just go have some of them make TikToks.
Kakarot? Kakarot! Ah, fuck, I'm new to this Kakarot!
So what's your opinion, bud?
Kakarot, I'm bussing!
What if I can lose?